Please, just leave it alone.
Jenna, after all these years,
You have the wrong person.
I know those eyes. You can't hide from me.
Nobody's special, just a vendor.
You're still a terrible liar.
Mario, please.
Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. If you have ever dreamed of creating cinematic videos just by typing a few words, this video is going to blow your mind. Today I am introducing you to an amazing AI tool called SkyReels, and trust me, this one's next level. SkyReels is an AI-powered video generator where all you need to do is write a prompt and boom, it creates a cinematic videos for you. You can also generate image to videos, emotional drama scenes, and lip sync to character and so much more. Once you click the link in the description, just log in with your account. On the home page, you will see different categories like AI video, AI drama, and even videos created by other users. On the left side, you will also find tools like generate video, generate image, lip sync, generate drama, and all tools. Let's dive into the AI video feature. Click on the create button and you will see two modes, auto mode and stable mode. You can also set the aspect ratio and video duration. Let's try a prompt. A fearless hero stands at the edge of a burning skyscraper, ready to jump. Hit enter. And here we go. Look at that. It literally looks like a movie scene. Let's try something more action-packed. A car chase through narrow city streets. Another intense cinematic result. Now for something dramatic, a pirate ship caught in a storm. You can see the atmosphere is on point. If you are feeling creative, try this. A cat dressed as a chef flipping a pancake in a fancy restaurant kitchen. Yes, the cat is seriously cooking. How cool is that? One more for fun, a car drives a tiny sports car. So you can see these AI videos are insanely fun to create. Now let's check out the image to video feature. You can upload an image from your device or generate one using AI. I uploaded this photo, cropped it, and gave the prompt. A man slowly crumbles the newspaper and drops it. And here we go. Look at the expression, it's so natural. Now I uploaded another image and gave the prompt, soft wind blows her hair while petals fall from the trees. So you can notice the background, it's beautifully done. Here is another one. A man writes something quickly, then starts crying. So you can see the emotional depth is just wow. And this one, flower petals fall from above. So cinematic. Final one, she flips through her notebook, finding a heartfelt note and tearing up. Look at her expressions, so natural and touching. Now let's explore the storyboard feature. Here you can edit your video scene by scene, add new clips, set the first and last frames using images, and finally export your video in HD. And there is a lip sync tool too. You can either upload your own audio or type in a script, choose a voice, and the AI will automatically sync the lips.
Unbelievable. They think we'll just sit back and let this happen? They're crossing lines now.
They even have different actions like hug, kiss, shakes. It's super cool for storytelling. Now the most powerful feature, AI drama. You can create an entire drama using a simple script, novel, or even use one of the templates. I will select a template and now click Generate Script. It automatically generates characters, scenes, dialogues, and even angles. You can even create your own characters if you want something more custom. You can edit scenes, listen to the dialogues, and build a full drama in minutes.
Honesty, around here that's rare.
SkyReels is honestly one of the most creative and fun AI tools I have used. From cinematic videos to emotional dramas, it's a complete storytelling playground powered by AI. Let's talk about pricing. You get 50 free credits daily. Premium starts as low as $7 to $8 per month if you go for the subscription. Give it a shot and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you create with it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.